Okay, in this example, we're trying to determine whether ratios are equivalent. And the first example, we're trying to determine if 4/3 and 20/15 are equivalent. So what you can do is you set your two ratios. So we have 4:3 and the ratio 20:15. Now, we notice on this one that we can multiply each number in the first ratio by 5 to obtain the number in the second ratio. So for example, we can take 4 times 5 and we get 20. And we can also take 3 times 5 to get 15. Now, because we can do this, and because we can multiply both of them by 5, we know that these two ratios are in fact equivalent. Okay, so now let's try the second example, example B, 5:7 and 10:21. On this one, we look at going from 5 to 10, and we notice that we would multiply by 2 because 5 times 2 makes 10. Now, if we look at 7 to 21, we know that 7 times 2 does not equal 21, but in fact, 7 times 3 makes 21. So because we're using different amounts to obtain the numbers from one ratio to another, this one happens to, these two ratios happen to not be equivalent. Thank you for taking time to watch this video on how to determine whether ratios are equivalent or not.